You're watching Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experiences using these platforms. Chime versus Cash App, which reigns supreme? Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison to help you decide which platform best suits your financial needs. Chime positions itself as a modern, online banking solution designed for a seamless, fee-free experience. It provides both checking and savings accounts, eliminating monthly maintenance fees, overdraft charges, and offering access to a vast network of over 60,000 ATMs. A standout feature is Chime's early direct deposit functionality, enabling users to receive their paychecks up to 2 days earlier than traditional banking institutions. Furthermore, Chime encourages effortless saving with its automatic savings tool, rounding up purchases and depositing the spare change into your savings account. Chime provides a Visa debit card for convenient spending and boasts FDIC insurance, assuring users of the security of their funds. However, Chime's primary focus remains on core banking services, and it currently doesn't offer investment options. Cash App, conversely, transcends the role of a simple payment platform. While facilitating quick and easy money transfers, Cash App also provides various financial tools, including investing in stocks and Bitcoin. The Cash Card functions as a debit card, allowing users to make purchases in-store and online. Cash App boasts a sleek, user-friendly interface designed for ease of navigation, particularly appealing to younger demographics. A key attraction is the ability to invest small sums in stocks and Bitcoin without the need for a separate brokerage account. However, Cash App lacks the traditional banking features offered by Chime, such as dedicated savings accounts and early paycheck access. Additionally, it imposes fees for instant transfers to external bank accounts. So, who benefits most from Chime? If you seek a comprehensive digital banking solution offering fee-free checking and savings accounts, coupled with early paycheck access, Chime is a compelling choice. It's tailored for individuals who prioritize a streamlined, no-frills banking experience with an emphasis on simplicity and saving. On the flip side, Cash App caters to users seeking a versatile financial application encompassing peer-to-peer payments, debit card spending, and investment opportunities. It's a great fit for those comfortable managing their finances within a single app and interested in exploring investments like stocks or Bitcoin. In summary, Chime emerges as the superior option if your primary need is a digital bank with a robust focus on core banking services, including checking, savings, and early direct deposits. Cash App excels in its payment services and investment options, making it the preferred choice for users desiring an all-in-one financial platform. Ultimately, the best choice hinges on whether you prioritize traditional banking services or a more versatile, app-based financial tool.